Welcome to Stay Secure 360, where we break down practical security, safety, and real-world ways to protect yourself, your home, and the people around you. A lot of people think home security has to be expensive, complicated, or full of gadgets. But in reality, making your home harder to break into often comes down to simple habits and a few smart changes. Most break-ins are opportunistic. People look for easy access, poor visibility, unlocked entry points, or signs that nobody is home. That means the goal is not to make your home look like a fortress. The goal is to make it look like too much effort. Official police and neighborhood crime prevention advice consistently focuses on reducing easy opportunities, improving visibility, and securing obvious access points. So here are 7 easy ways to make your home harder to break into. Number 1. Lock your doors and windows properly. This sounds obvious, but it is still one of the biggest weak points in home security. Good quality locks on external doors and windows matter, and so does actually using them. A secure front door means less if a side window, laundry door, or backsliding door is left open, unlocked, or only partly secured. NSW Police and Queensland Police both recommend quality locks, deadlocks, and properly secured windows as a basic first line of defense. Number 2. Light up the areas someone would use to approach your home. Good lighting matters because dark entry points, side paths, garages, and rear access areas give people cover. Security lighting does not have to be extreme. It just needs to reduce concealment and make movement easier to notice. Police home security guidance specifically recommends quality lighting around main areas of the home and around the perimeter. Number 3. Improve visibility around the property. Overgrown shrubs, tall plants near windows, and cluttered side access can create hiding places. Keeping trees and shrubs trimmed makes it easier for you, your neighbors, and passing traffic to notice unusual activity. It also makes your home look more observed and less inviting to opportunistic intruders. NSW Police and Queensland Police both recommend trimming landscaping to improve visibility, and NSW Police also advises keeping your street number clearly visible so the property is easier to identify. Number 4. Secure the parts of the property people forget about. A lot of home security problems start with side gates, sheds, garages, or tools left outside. Ladders, gardening tools, and equipment can help someone gain entry or test parts of the property without bringing their own gear. Police guidance recommends locking gates, sheds, and garages, and locking away tools, gardening equipment, and ladders. Your home security is not just your front door. It is everything around it too. Number 5. Do not hide spare keys outside. Under the mat, in a fake rock, in a pot plant, above the door frame, these are all places people already know to check. Neighborhood Watch and police guidance both warn against leaving spare keys outside the home. A hidden key can undo every other security step in seconds. Keep spare keys inside, out of sight, or leave one only with someone you genuinely trust. Number 6. Make the home look occupied when you are away. One of the easiest ways to reduce risk is to avoid making the place look empty for days at a time. Neighborhood Watch recommends not announcing travel on social media, and suggests asking a trusted neighbor to create signs of activity like clearing the letterbox, opening and closing blinds, or putting bins out and back in. The point is simple. An empty-looking house is more attractive than one that looks active and noticed. Number 7. Keep valuables out of sight. If expensive items are visible through windows, open garage doors, or easy sight lines from the street, you are giving people information they do not need. Neighborhood Watch advises storing valuables out of sight and keeping smaller valuables secured. That includes things like wallets, handbags, keys, devices, tools, bikes, and power equipment. Reducing temptation is a real part of prevention. And here is the bigger point. Good home security is usually not one dramatic thing. It is layers. Locked entry points, better lighting, better visibility, fewer hiding places, fewer easy tools lying around, no spare key outside, and fewer signs that the home is empty. None of that is complicated. But together, it can make your home a much less attractive target. That layered approach matches the practical advice in Police and Neighborhood Watch home security checklists. So if you want to improve your home security, start simple. Walk outside, look at your home the way a stranger would, and ask yourself a few honest questions. What looks easy to access? What looks hidden? What looks valuable? What looks neglected? And what would make someone think nobody is home? That quick mindset shift alone can help you spot weak points faster. If you found this useful, subscribe to Stay Secure 360 for more practical videos on home security, online safety, situational awareness, conflict prevention, and real-world security advice. Let me know in the comments, which of these 7 do you think most people overlook?